Hello, I'm Dr. Gerald Whalen of Whalen Integrative Wellness Solutions. Today, in the fourth video, our attention centers on the third foundational pillar, cleansing and detoxification. The early 20th century pioneers in whole food nutrition and detoxification strategies foresaw the consequences of processing, refining, and chemically altering our food. Our bodies have built-in systems of detoxification orchestrated by organs such as the liver, the gallbladder, kidneys, small and large intestine, as well as the lymphatic system, skin, and lungs. Yet, the ever-growing influx of synthetic chemicals challenges our adaptive capabilities. In 2010 alone, over 3 billion pounds of toxic chemicals inundated our environment. The accumulation of toxin poses a severe threat, causing our bodies to either bury them in fat or tissues or attempt removal, a superior but often overwhelmed option. Our exposure to industrial chemicals exhausts the primary detox organs, originally designed for natural toxins, not the array of environmental pollutants we face today. Detoxification has become imperative, and fortunately, we now possess methods to rejuvenate our organs and release stored toxins. It is crucial to note that tailored nutritional and homeopathic support services like those offered in my practice can reverse many health consequences of toxicity. Various cleansing and detoxification options are available, each requiring an initial assessment to ensure suitability. As we've covered 3 of the 4 foundational pillars of health, restoring exponential healing becomes the missing piece in contemporary healthcare. I'm honored to guide you on this journey of rediscovering your healing abilities and reclaiming your health. Share these videos with others who may benefit and embark on their healing journey. Be on the lookout for the 4th installment, focusing on mind-body stress relief and the transformative Neuro Emotional Technique. Ready to take the next step? Consider scheduling a new patient visit in my practice to explore personalized options for your health restoration. Your healing journey awaits.